Hello, this is Mr. Kent of MrKent.com, and I had my new Mavic Mini out and was going to do a range test in my last video, and I'll put a link to it in the comments or maybe at the end of the video here. Anyway, I ran into a lot of problems because I had forgotten to turn off payload and I could only go 328 feet. And I tried all kinds of different configurations, and I had missed the notice at the beginning. If you watch the video, you'll see. Anyway, I couldn't get it to go beyond that. I tried all kinds of things. I even, when it was out of 328 feet, I even reset the return to home point. I did all kinds of things. And then, eventually, I hit the return to home point. And it didn't return to where I was. It returned to where it was when I hit the return to home, or when I set the return to home, or when I reset it. And I thought, well, that's strange, because if you look at this image over here, you can see with my Mavic 2, I can change the home point settings from where the drone is or where I'm standing. And so I just assumed that the new home point would be where I was standing. Well, in this video, you're going to see that with the Mavic Mini, you might want to be real careful about resetting the home point, because it resets the home point to wherever the drone is. And if you're over water, you might have problems. Let's watch the video.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, what we've got the home point at the takeoff point. So now we're going to go up to about 50 feet. And that pond is really full of water. So we'll take a look at that in a minute. But right now we're going to turn right. And we're going to pretend we're over the pond instead of along next to it. Okay. Let's let everybody see the pond. Okay. We're going to pretend we're walking next to the pond. And we'll walk down here. Okay. And now we're going to pretend that we're going to, let's see, we'll fly this, aim this down a little bit, and we'll fly the drone over somewhere here. Okay. So that's where the drone is, and I think we should be able to see it somewhere. There it is up there. Okay? And so that's where the drone is. Now we're going to go into the settings. Come on, get in there. Go to safety. We're going to update the home point. Okay? So there it is.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Alright, so now we've got the home point updated, and we'll go ahead and we'll fly down here. And I always thought that the home point was where I was, and that's true if you're using a Mavic 2. Alright, so now we're going to hit return to home and see where it goes. Does it come here or does it go someplace else? Okay, we want to do return to home. There we go. That's what we want. Okay. So now we're going to do return to home. Come on.
Landing.
So that just makes it land. Alright, so let's go. Let's go this way. Go over here somewhere. Way far away. Okay, now let's do return to home. Return to home. Okay.
Go home.
So where is he going? Is he going to come over here? Or is he going to go where he was when I hit return to home? So he's not coming here. He's going to go where he was
Landing.
when I hit return to home. So you can see that he's going to land where he was when I hit return to home. So we'll cancel that. And now we know. So let's go over here. Let's go back over here.